Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of glass trickery. How's that? You hear me say that. Well, here I am. I actually step into the realm of glass wizardry. Actually, it's just fun. Instead of using, I'm going to show you with the running pliers as well. How you can get one of these deep inside cuts like this without, just doing a corner, which is, it's kind of cheap because, that's an easy cut. You gotta be a real wizard. You gotta wow the crowd, right? I'm not here to wow anybody, but anyway, start your cut. Make sure it's rolling. Finish your cut. I got to cut a V here. Take your runners. You start the run. You can see I popped it a little bit. And here. You know me, I always like to do relief cuts and explain the value of a relief cut. Here I got the run to here. And I got this run. It's about the same spot. A little bit shorter. Here, you can tap. What you can also do is you take the glass, you flip it upside down, do a few taps that way. What that does, it keeps the score stable. Right? And then once you do that, come in the middle, and one score like that. All right? And from here, carefully start that score, and you can tap on the bottom to get it to run a little bit, and then do the same thing. Tap on the bottom, just kind of letting the glass cutter right. Just like that. Just little taps like that. What you're doing is you're causing the center here to become loose, and the vibration is actually getting that score to run. It's like a score through vibration. By going upside down and tapping, you don't tap on a score because you want to retain that clean score. But here, you don't care about this. This is garbage. So when you saw me tapping on the back, you saw a lot of that glass chipping up along that. Now that would be an inside deep curve relief cut. But using glass trickery, you don't want to, I mean, you can. But here, if you want to really show up your skills, we can go ahead and trim this off a little bit. Come in here. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. And instead of trying to break it like that, you may not be successful, being it's so thin. And then here, finish it up. So, glass trickery and glass wizardry. I hope you liked the video. And oh, by the way, happy Halloween. Take care.